Ndewo kekime. Aha m bụ Ijeọma, onye na-ewetara gị nkuzi Igbo. Taa anyị ga-amụ aha a na-akpọ nwanyị. Okay, so in line with the celebration of Women's History Month, I will talk about Igbo words that can be used for women. There are loads more, but I've got 5 for you here today. Okay, one. Can you be do? Nwanyị. Nwanyị. So nwanyị just means female. It means girl, it means woman, it means lady. So generally, nwanyị means female. Nwanyị. Nne. Nne. Nne means mother. Nne means mother. Nne can also be used for as a term of endearment. So typically for maybe a friend or a younger sister. So typically your age mate or somebody your junior. Nne. But it again is the word for mother. Nne. Nwata. Nwata is the word for miss. So M-I-S-S. Nwata. Miss. Nwata. Okay. Oriakụ. Oriakụ is the word for Mrs. Okay. So like wife. Mrs. So and so. Oriakụ. Okay. And then there's a new term, Odoziakụ. So again, it means Mrs. But this is sort of the more newer term that is now used as well. Odoziakụ. Okay. So that first one, Oriakụ, means Mrs. wife, like I said. But literally, it translates to somebody that enjoys wealth. So she has come to enjoy wealth. While Odoziakụ literally means someone that's come to invest wealth, or somebody has come to multiply wealth, to keep the wealth, to multiply it. Okay, Odoziakụ. So Odoziakụ Okoye will mean Mrs. Okoye. Ngwan o kodi na asụkwa Igbo. Daalụ o.